Let me get closer with this camera, and I'll send you a link to all these videos. But all we can do is try to guess what would be below it based on how much damage is above it. And I see a lot of damage there. But then again, it's going to run down that water. It'll hit that glass. It's going to go left and right. It looks like it's going left because all the water's in that bottom left corner. I don't see anything on the right. And the only way it would go both ways is if it's perfectly level. So even if it is going left, it looks like they've got one line on that piece of siding, no lines below that piece of siding. It doesn't look like it's warped in any way. And kind of the thing I'm looking for, if you look at this window to the front bottom right corner, that's a piece of brick mold going up and down for about 5 feet. And you see how wavy it starts to get at the bottom and starts to turn colors to darker. In the windowsill, how it looks uniform up until the left side, it starts to get wavy. And that's one of the tells of water damage. And it looks like 2 pieces of brick mold, or at least the right size piece of brick mold and the sill replacement. Which, I mean, here again, it's a couple $100. I want to avoid replacing the window because that's $300 and another $3 to get it in. But you can see how things dramatically increase very quickly. Mm-hmm. If you keep the repairs at a minimum, there's probably a good chance that you could own this house and not have to put a lot. One of the things, that bothers me is above that window, there's a seam in the middle, or it looks like there was a seam or might be a seam right there. How they put the two together, that's failed, and that's failed a lot. You know, the $64,000